Hello everyone, Shantae here. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I am back with a Globeland project. So I use this stamp right here that says, I use this sentiment that says sending hugs and kisses right here, stamped with no problem. I used my Misty. And then I used this stamp set right here, the Thinking of You. And I use these layering dies right here, the roses and the lily, for what I'm going to show you right now. And like I said in the last video, everything will be in the description box. If there's a coupon code, the links to everything, it will all be in the description box. Here's the first card that I made. I love the fun on this, sending hugs and kisses. So I cut out a I think this is 9.5. By, let's see. I know it's 9.5 long by 3, almost 3 3/4 wide card base. And then I added the white piece, layering piece. And these the dies only does the red and the white piece. So I added the gold on the back, just because I didn't want it to hit up against the white. And so that's the inside. So a cute little quick and simple note card. All right. And then here is the, lily one, Thinking of You. And I did the same thing, made the base, added the white. I put yellow behind the gold and white piece so the yellow would peek through for the lily. And it just says, Thinking of You. Yep, these are some, like I said, some small little note cards, 4 3/4 folded, and about a little bit past 3.5 wide. And I just made the card based off the measurements of the die. I knew I wanted to add layers. Y'all know I love layers and pop stuff up. I popped up the sentiments. So I just used that to make the card base. All right. So that's it. Like I said, everything will be in the description box below. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.